Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Epic Games not updating your game. So there are a couple of ways you can fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and search for Epic Games on your search bar. Then you want to click on Open File Location and then right click on the application and click on Show More Options. Click on Properties and click on Compatibility. Once you've done that, make sure that Run this program as an administrator is turned on and click on OK. Once you've done that, it should go ahead and fix the problem. However, if it still doesn't, then what you want to do is simply go ahead and head into the settings inside of your Epic Games launcher. Now you want to simply go to the download settings right over here. And now this is where you want to simply click on automatic updates and make sure this one is checked. So automatically update recently active titles. Schedule automatic updates can be turned on as well if you want to. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.